Title: The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a poor woodcutter named Jack. He worked hard every day to earn a living by cutting trees in the nearby forest. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the deep water. Jack was very upset because that axe was his most valuable possession, and he couldn't afford to buy a new one. He sat by the river, feeling hopeless, when suddenly, a magical fairy appeared from the water. The fairy asked Jack what was wrong, and he explained his situation. The kind fairy dived into the water and brought back a golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" Jack, though tempted by the shiny, golden axe, knew it wasn't his. He replied, "No, that's not my axe." The fairy smiled and dived again, this time bringing back a silver axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" Again, Jack knew it wasn't his, and he said, "No, that's not my axe." The fairy was pleased with Jack's honesty and rewarded him by bringing up his own axe from the water. She also gave him the golden and silver axes as a gift for his honesty. Jack learned that honesty is the best policy and that telling the truth is always the right thing to do. He went home with his own axe and the valuable